Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the basics so every action counts. Open Settings and inspect battery health. That tells you if the cell is degraded. Once done, enable Battery Saver and set it to engage at 20 or 30% so background activity is limited automatically. Next, reduce screen brightness to about 40 or enable Adaptive Brightness. The display is the largest power consumer. Make sure to disable Always on Display and excessive refresh rates, now to save immediate drain. You now dive into app and system tuning to eliminate hidden drains. Go to Apps and apply battery optimization to non-essential apps so they don't run in the background. You decide which need real-time updates. Then, switch off 5G or set the network to LTE when peak speed isn't required because 5G uses more power. Also, restrict location and Bluetooth scanning and revoke permissions for apps that rarely need them. This reduces wake-ups and GPS use, which saves sizable battery over a day. Finish by applying interface and maintenance actions that compound savings. Switch to dark mode system-wide and set screen timeout to 1 or 2 minutes. Darker pixels use less power on OLED panels. Update Oxygen OS and apps to benefit from efficiency fixes, and clear app cache if you spot sudden drains. If battery still behaves poorly, reboot and test in safe mode to isolate apps, and try a different certified charger and cable to rule out charging faults. If all else fails, consider a battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.